You know,
Bakit ka nag-antay ng 2 years bago mo sabihin ito? Parang, if you are, let's say na you want to speak for the country, bakit ka nag-antay ng 2 years at hindi as early as possible so that the people would have been apprised na yung president pala natin ay gumagamit ng cocaine?
Well, again, hindi nga ako nanonood ho nung mga panahon na yun ng politics. Hindi ko nakikita. So I just came back from US last November. Tapos then, I was looking. Tapos nasa-shock ako. Siyempre, I have a good friend na may mga kaibigan akong taga Davao. Tapos nakikita ako. Tapos parang sa ano nangyayari? Ganyan, no? So parang, then I started watching. And I'm really like, I speak my mind eh. If you see my Facebook, I don't filter.
Yeah.
Like, even like, I don't delete. Even you can see my post about Tony Boy. I was protecting him. I was defending him, how I adore him, how much I love him. Lahat nandun. You know, wala akong tinatago doon. So,
what were the things that shocked you?
like, I never expect. Parang yun nga, yung parang yung recollection ng ano to, parang ano ba to, para tong, what do you call that? Yung naging dictatorship. Parang they're testing the waters. Parang okay, try muna natin sa Mindanao. Pitikin natin ang Duterte. Kasi takot ang tao sa Duterte. They thought they're powerful and matapang, right? So sinusubukan nila dun eh. When you try to think, this is me, I'm a very analytical woman. So when you try to think about it, they're testing the waters. If we can do it there and nobody will fight us, we can do it everywhere.
Yes.
You know, that's how I see it. Correct. So they test it there. So ganon. Just imagine, former president, VP now, then religious leader.
Yeah.
Diba, saan ka pupunta? Diba? Parang, when you try to think about it, wow, this is really like, they're trying to test the waters. If they can do it there, we can do it anywhere.